Welcome back to another Hybrid Pro tutorial where we teach you how to master Instagram automation. In this video, we'll dive into the reply to pending DM feature. If you're tired of manually responding to DM requests, this automation will save you time and boost your engagement. Let's get started. With this feature, Hybrid Pro automatically replies to pending DM requests inside your Instagram inbox. This is crucial for businesses, influencers, and marketers who receive hundreds of DMs daily and need a structured way to handle them. Let's explore the key settings and how you can optimize them for your needs. Key settings explained. Reply to pending DM requests. When enabled, the system automatically replies to pending DM requests, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with new followers or potential customers. Don't like last message of approved DM request. This prevents the system from liking the last message inside an approved DM request. By default, Instagram allows liking messages, but this setting ensures that the bot behaves naturally and avoids unnecessary actions. Don't mute approved DM threads. When enabled, Hybrid Pro will keep the DM threads unmuted after responding, making it easier for you to track conversations and continue engagement. Don't attach a profile preview. This setting prevents the system from including a profile preview in your DM responses, making the conversation feel more natural and less automated. Move to General folder. Automatically moves approved DM responses to the general inbox, helping you separate them from primary inbox conversations. These settings give you complete control over how you handle incoming DMs, allowing you to filter, prioritize, and respond in a way that aligns with your engagement strategy. Composing your DM replies. The next section is the Message Composer. This is where you define your reply templates using Spintax, emojis, and links to keep responses diverse and engaging. Support Spintax allows you to create dynamic responses that rotate messages, making interactions more human-like. Use emojis and links. Increase response engagement with call-to-action links or emojis to make messages friendly and personalized. Personalization variables, the username, mentions the recipient's Instagram handle. Full name, uses their full name. First name, uses only the first name for a more casual approach. Example template, using Spintax. Hey, first name. Thanks for reaching out. How can I help you today? Or hi, username. I saw your message. Let me know what you need help with. Final optimization tips. Keep your responses short and engaging. Avoid spam-like messages. Use Spintax to keep it varied. Move messages to the general folder for better inbox organization. Keep mute settings off if you want to track conversations after sending a reply. And that's how you automate your DM replies using Hybrid Pro. This feature ensures you never miss important messages and keeps your engagement level high. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful Instagram automation guides. See you in the next video. Happy automating!